arranged event on whatever you call this. Yes guys, welcome to a new video. Starting a video here because we're gonna take a detour. Currently on the way to an event. First event in Brazil. Primeiro evento no Brasil, rapaziada. Let's fucking go. Let's see what's this way first though. I just want to ride some nice roads or just some not so boring roads on the way to the event. I did see police posted up as well. Oh no, this doesn't look like a way. What road it is then. I'll see you at the event. Well, at least we got one of them in, boys. Let's go. Smash around the corner. CBA doing intro. I'll see you at the event. We're going down to the Grau Arena. Oh my daisies, please. Yeah. That was a good start. Yeah, bro. To the Soto. There we go. Oh, what an intro to the event! Yeah! Ah, Brazil doing it properly, rapaziada! The big GS 900 right there, the F900GS. I was test riding that the other day. I have no idea how he's doing that. Hey, on the Hornet as well. What a f***ing start to the day. Please say I'm recording. Yes, I'm recording. Oh shit, no, Brazil don't f about with events, guys. First bike meet, primeiro evento no Brazil, rapaziada, vamos! That's how you start an event. I was gonna say, where the f is my phone? I realised I had music blasting that whole time. I was so in the zone. I haven't let out energy like that in, guys. I don't know what's going on right now. You want to search it? See. To the Soto. Obrigado, man. I feel so lost right now, guys. I'm glad you lot are here with me. MT-06. MT-06. Left. Franco. Oh, shit. Is this the wheelie strip right here? What am I supposed to do right now? I think I have to pull the phone out or my mic is gonna blow up. Have a look at this. Guys, I was on one of these the other day. I have no idea. Alright, we got a guide, thankfully. Oh, it's back on the road! To the road! He sorted it, guys. Oh! Oh! Just found out what he's hit. It's this right here. Oh, thank this guy found me. I was so lost, I didn't know what I was doing. He's going to help me get straight to it, guys. We're going down to the Grau Arena. Never experienced something like this. Let's go wandering on our own. See what's going on. YouTube, this is an arranged event on whatever you call this. Oh. Tudo bem? Primeiro evento? Primeiro? Oh my days! Oh, pode ser, não sei, mas muito rápido. Pessoal, muito rápido. Muito louco. I am muito louco. Alright, the nutters arrived. Borges is here on the F900. Gonna finish some work. And he's here as well. clip T-nuts to my eardrums. I need a break and I'm burning. I didn't bring no sun cream, I need shade ASAP. To get myself a couple bebidas, guys. I'm dying out here. It's so flipping hot. It's so sunny. There's no shade. I don't know what to do. Oh, guys, I had to retreat to the somewhat quiet place, man. Yo! Yay! I've got to get to the shade. Yeah, guys, I'm out of here. Gringo's done for the day. I was here for an hour, and yeah, that was a nice, just no shade, and I honestly have no idea what to do with myself, so getting out of here. Valeu! Valeu! Oh my days, I can hear. That was a lot, guys. What's going on here? He's had to get a tow truck home. Hold on. It must be one of these helmet influencers. Oh, no, this guy was actually getting active. That's like matey's meme. Are they beefing at me? Yo, guys. E aí? Tudo bem? Pra lá. Eu vou pra lá.
Nós vamos pra cá, ó.
Onde? What? Caxias? Pra lá? Melhor? Lá?
Aqui é mais longe, mas pega menos polícia daí.
Oh, vamos lá. Right, we made some friends, guys. Oh, it's so nice to be able to hear. That's a nice road. We've got the 2 up growls going on. Oh my days, I thought that was piping. Guys, I haven't been able to just wheelie like that peacefully in my whole life. Like a straight road that just continues, there's no cars around. The day's never over in Brazil, you just know what's about to happen. It's the first time I've done that. Starting off slowly, I'm not bouncing off the limiter though. That's that Brazilian style right there. Look at the ride home as well. This is what I tried to do on the way here. I knew there was another way. Crazy, like these girls just like, yeah, just a normal ride. Be careful of the turtles, careful of the turtles. Oh, like, see, this is the way I wanted. Imagine this way. Like, it was just me, boom, going mental around these roads. To be fair, I might not have made it to the event. I would have had so much energy. What? She put the phone away when I was doing a wheelie. Oh my days, please. I'm not with them, guys. What a fucking legendary girl. Cover the plate for him. They're gone. They're Gonzo Alfonso. They love it if you can wheelie. Oh my days! That's the one right there! I'm hanging with the Brazilian boys! I was on the fight in that video. Oh guys, couple of growls. I'm getting a couple growls in lately. Other day we're mating on the CBR, which was actually a week ago now, so only these long breaks between growls. They didn't literally pop in 1 growl a month at first because of the license situation, and it was winter. So managed to get it down to like once a week. Valeu? aí, cavalo? Yes, horsey. Tudo bem, cavalo? Cavalo? Is that a horse or is it a donkey? Oh, this is the song. This is my come up song right here. Jeez! Alright, I'm gonna end the video there, guys. Subscribe, like, comment. If you want to see more videos, comment any recommendations as well. See you next video.